First thing I'll do is click New Client. This adds a page to the client database, where I can fill in all of the client information I have so far. I'll add their name and any details I know about them and their business. So I've been talking to this client for a while about this potential project, so I'll move their card over to negotiating. We've agreed to work together, so I'll move them to active status. Now I can create the actual project page. So let's say we've agreed to doing a photo shoot together. When I search for and select my client, you can see that their business information automatically populates from the client page. The project page has a bunch of different properties that I can fill in based on what I know about the scope of the project. I'll set the status to onboarding while I start receiving assets from the client. I can already think of a few project tasks to get me started. I'll click New Project Task 3 times and add those in. When I click on Location Scouting, it opens as its own workspace where I can add maps for potential locations, reference images, notes, everything related to that specific task. So let's say I've done my location scouting and booked everything. Notice how the task progress bar updates to show 33% complete. Since we're actively working on this project now, I'll move it to the In Progress section. I've edited the photos and sent them to the client. They've reviewed everything and sent back some revision notes. I'll scroll down to the feedback revision log and click New Feedback. Then I'll paste and type in the client's specific notes as a checklist. As I complete each revision, I can check them off. Revisions are approved. Time to set the project status to final delivery as I send the final assets to the client. With delivery complete, I'll move this to invoice sent since I've just submitted my invoice to the client. Once the client pays, I can input those payment details right into the project properties and move the status to paid and complete. Since this project is officially done, I can move it to the archive, which means it cleans up my dashboard while keeping all the project details accessible in the project archive database. I'll set up a follow-up date for 3 months from now and turn on notifications. In 3 months, I'll get an alert to reach out to this client. This is perfect for checking in on project results and exploring future opportunities. And there you have it, a complete client journey from first contact to project completion, all managed within the Freelance Portal Dashboard.